Hello, little friends. Welcome back to our fun alphabet adventure. Today, we are going to learn about a super letter. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's the letter S. S is the 19th letter of the alphabet, and it starts so many super words. Let's learn the interesting new words that starts with alphabet S. The letter S is for socks. Socks are soft clothes you wear on your feet. They come in many colors and patterns, like stripes or polka dots. Socks keep your feet warm and cozy, especially when it's cold outside. You put them on before your shoes. They help keep your feet clean and comfortable. Socks can be made of different materials, like cotton or wool. They also come in different sizes to fit different feet. When you take off your shoes, you'll often see your socks, which are like a special hug for your feet. The letter S is for speaker. A speaker is a cool object that helps us hear sounds. It turns music, voices, and other noises into sounds we can listen to. You can find speakers in many places, at home, in cars, and even in phones. When you play your favorite song, a speaker makes it loud enough for everyone to hear. Speakers come in different shapes and sizes, from tiny ones you can hold in your hand to big ones for parties. They are important for listening to music, watching movies, and enjoying lots of fun sounds. The letter S is for scale. A scale is a tool that helps us measure how heavy something is. It's often used to weigh food, like fruits and vegetables, or even people at the doctor's office. There are different kinds of scales. Some have dials, and some have digital screens that show numbers. You place an object on the scale, and it tells you its weight. Scales can be small, like ones in kitchens, or big, like those in gyms. They help us know how much things weigh, which is important for cooking and keeping track of our health. The letter S is for screwdriver. A screwdriver is a tool that helps us turn screws. Screws are small metal pieces with a spiral shape that hold things together, like furniture or toys. The screwdriver has a handle that you hold and a metal tip that fits into the screw. There are different types of screwdrivers with different tips, like flat or star-shaped. When you turn the handle, the metal tip spins and moves the screw into or out of place. Screwdrivers come in various sizes, making it easier to fix or build things by tightening or loosening screws. The letter S is for shelf. A shelf is a flat surface that we attach to the wall or stand on a piece of furniture. It helps us keep things organized and within reach. You can place books, toys, or decorations on a shelf. Shelves come in many shapes and sizes, like tall ones for lots of items or small ones for just a few things. They are very useful in homes, classrooms, and stores. By using shelves, we can keep our rooms tidy and find what we need easily. Shelves help make our spaces neat and fun. The letter S is for steamer. A steamer is a special kitchen tool that helps cook food with steam. It looks like a metal basket with holes and fits over a pot of boiling water. When the water heats up, it turns into steam, which cooks the food in the basket. You can steam vegetables, fish, and dumplings. Steaming helps keep food's flavors and nutrients. It's a healthy way to cook because it doesn't use much oil. A steamer is great for making yummy meals and is easy to clean. The letter S is for salad. A salad is a tasty dish made from fresh vegetables like lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers. You can also add fruits, cheese, or nuts to make it extra special. Salads are usually cold and crunchy, and they are often eaten with a dressing, which is a yummy sauce that makes the salad taste even better. You can mix all the ingredients in a big bowl. Salads are healthy and help keep you strong and full of energy. They're also fun to make and can be different every time you try. The letter S is for salmon. Salmon is a type of fish that lives in both fresh and salty water. It has pink or orange meat and is very tasty. Salmon can swim upstream in rivers to lay its eggs, and it travels long distances during its life. People often cook salmon by grilling, baking, or making it into sushi. It's a healthy food because it has good fats that help our hearts stay strong. Salmon is also known for its shiny, silver scales and can be found in many lakes and oceans around the world. The letter S is for sandwich. A sandwich is a tasty food made by putting fillings like meat, cheese, or veggies between two slices of bread. You can make it with different ingredients, such as ham, lettuce, and tomato. Sandwiches are easy to eat and can be taken with you to school or on a picnic. You can have a simple sandwich or a big one with lots of layers. Sometimes, people add spreads like butter or mayonnaise to make it even more delicious. Sandwiches are fun to make and even more fun to eat. The letter S is for sausage. A sausage is a type of food made from ground meat, like beef or pork, mixed with spices and seasonings. It's usually put into a tube-shaped casing, which is like a skin that holds the meat together. Sausages can be cooked in many ways, like grilling, frying, or baking. They come in different flavors and sizes. You might see sausages at a barbecue or in a hot dog bun. They're tasty and can be enjoyed in many different dishes, like pasta or on pizza. Sausages make meals fun and delicious. The letter S is for spaghetti. Spaghetti is a type of pasta that is long, thin, and looks like little strings. It's made from wheat and water. You cook spaghetti in boiling water until it's soft. Then, you can add your favorite sauce, like tomato sauce or cheese sauce, to make it yummy. Spaghetti is fun to eat with a fork and can be twirled around to pick up. It's a favorite dish in many places and can be served with meatballs, vegetables, or even just a sprinkle of cheese. Spaghetti makes a tasty and fun meal. The letter S is for steak. Steak is a big, tasty piece of meat that comes from cows. It is cooked on a grill or a pan to make it delicious and juicy. You can have it cooked in different ways, like rare, medium, or well done, depending on how much you like it cooked. Steak is often served with potatoes, vegetables, or other yummy sides. It's a favorite food for many people, especially at special meals. Just remember, steak should be chewed carefully and enjoyed with a fork and knife. It's a tasty treat for those who enjoy meat. The letter S is for sushi. Sushi is a special kind of food from Japan. It usually has rice that is sticky and is often rolled with seaweed. Inside the rolls, you might find different things like fish, vegetables, or even fruit. Sometimes sushi is made with fish that is cooked or raw. It's often served with soy sauce, which is a salty sauce, and wasabi, which is a spicy green paste. Sushi is eaten with chopsticks or your hands, and it's a fun and tasty way to try different flavors and textures. The letter S is for soup. Soup is a warm and tasty food that you can eat with a spoon. It is made by cooking vegetables, meat, or noodles in a big pot with water or broth. Soup can be smooth or chunky, depending on what is added to it. Some soups are thick and creamy, while others are clear and light. You can find soups with flavors like chicken, tomato, or vegetable. Soup is great to eat when you are cold or not feeling well, and it helps you feel cozy and happy. The letter S is for strawberry. A strawberry is a small, bright red fruit with tiny seeds on its surface. It is sweet, juicy, and very delicious. Strawberries grow on small plants close to the ground and have green leaves and a small stem. You can eat strawberries fresh, put them in smoothies, or use them to make jams and desserts. They are healthy and full of vitamins. Many people enjoy picking strawberries at farms during the summer. Strawberries are a favorite treat for kids and adults because of their yummy taste and beautiful color. The letter S is for a sugar. Sugar is a sweet substance that comes from plants like sugarcane and sugar beets. It is used to make food taste sweet. You can find sugar in many things like candy, cookies, cakes, and ice cream. It looks like small white crystals and can dissolve in water. People use sugar to bake, cook, and even sweeten their drinks like tea and lemonade. While sugar is tasty, it's important to eat it in moderation to stay healthy. Sugar adds sweetness and fun to many of our favorite treats and dishes. The letter S is for sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are yummy, orange vegetables that grow underground. They are sweet and taste delicious when cooked. You can eat sweet potatoes baked, mashed, or even as fries. They are very good for you because they have lots of vitamins, like vitamin A, which helps your eyes stay healthy. Sweet potatoes can be eaten with cinnamon and butter, or you can use them in soups and pies. They are different from regular potatoes because they are sweeter and have a soft texture. Sweet potatoes are a tasty and nutritious food that kids love. The letter S is for starfruit. Starfruit, also known as carambola, is a bright yellow-green fruit shaped like a star when you cut it. It has a juicy, sweet, and slightly tangy taste. Starfruit is fun to eat because it looks like a star and is crunchy. You can eat it fresh, just by washing and slicing it, or add it to salads, smoothies, and desserts. Starfruit is good for you because it has lots of vitamins, like vitamin C, which helps keep you healthy. It's a delicious and fun snack that kids can enjoy, especially because of its cool star shape. The letter S is for spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is super healthy and tasty. It has soft, dark green leaves that you can eat raw in salads or cooked in many dishes like soups, pastas, and smoothies. Spinach is packed with vitamins and minerals, like vitamin A and iron, which help keep your body strong and your eyes healthy. It's also great for giving you energy and helping you grow. Spinach is a favorite of the cartoon character Popeye, who eats it to become really strong. Eating spinach can make you feel like a superhero too. The letter S is for squash. Squash is a tasty vegetable that comes in many shapes, sizes, and colors. There are two main types of squash, summer squash and winter squash. Summer squash, like zucchini, is soft and can be eaten raw or cooked. Winter squash, like pumpkins and butternut squash, has a hard skin and is usually cooked before eating. Squash is rich in vitamins and minerals that help keep you healthy and strong. You can roast, bake, or mash squash, and it makes a yummy addition to soups, stews, and even desserts. The letter S is for shallot. A shallot is a small vegetable that looks like a mix between garlic and onions. It has a brown or reddish skin and is usually smaller than an onion. When you peel it, you find several cloves inside, just like garlic. Shallots taste milder and sweeter than onions, making them perfect for adding flavor to salads, sauces, and dressings. They can be eaten raw, roasted, or sauteed. Chefs love using shallots because they make food taste delicious without being too strong. Try adding shallots to your next meal for a tasty treat. The letter S is for Swiss chard. Swiss chard is a leafy green vegetable with colorful stems that can be red, yellow, or white. The leaves are big and dark green, and they are very healthy to eat. Swiss chard is packed with vitamins and minerals that help our bodies stay strong. You can eat it raw in salads or cook it by steaming, sauteing, or adding it to soups and stews. The stems and leaves have a slightly different taste, with the stems being a bit crunchy and the leaves soft. Swiss chard makes any meal more colorful and nutritious. Soybeans are a type of legume that grow in pods on a soybean plant. They are small, round, and usually green but can also be yellow or brown. Soybeans are very nutritious and are used to make many foods like tofu, soy milk, and edamame. People also use soybeans to make products like soy sauce and even some types of oil. Soybeans are important for farmers because they can help improve the soil where they are planted. They are a healthy snack and are enjoyed by many people around the world. Sweet corn is a type of corn that tastes very sweet. It grows on tall plants with green leaves and yellow kernels on the cob. When sweet corn is ready to eat, the kernels are plump and juicy. People often cook sweet corn by boiling, grilling, or roasting it. It's a tasty vegetable that can be enjoyed on its own or added to dishes like salads and soups. Sweet corn is also used to make popcorn, a fun and crunchy snack. Eating sweet corn is not only delicious but also healthy, as it gives you vitamins and fiber.